We were looking for financial and time freedom. We love to travel, and for years we had been tied to our recruitment business. We were in the rut of trading time for money, and we believed that the only way to get ahead was to work harder, which often meant working longer hours.
We did some research and we found an online business opportunity where we could work from home. This online home-based business provided us with both scalable and sustainable income, and we now have the time freedom and the financial freedom to travel, see the world, and spend more quality time with our family and our friends.
This opportunity is not for everyone. We believe that we have three core values that have really contributed to our success. The first one is curiosity and the willingness to embrace change.
And the second is work ethic and gut determination to break through barriers.
And the third is having a balance between a sense of urgency and patience. You may think you have these three values, and if you do, that's great. Perhaps check out these resources. If you don't, that's okay too. This opportunity may not be the right one for you.
The learning curve has been steep, and we've been outside our comfort zone on numerous occasions. It's taken work ethic, determination, and discipline to do something positive and productive each and every day in order to keep moving forward to our ultimate goal. It's taken courage when the journey's been difficult, and we've kept our eye on the ball because we've been patient and understanding with one another and ourselves.
This journey has transformed us. We see the world differently now. It all started because we had the curiosity to check out these resources. You will learn about an educational program and community called Six Figure Mentors, or SFM. This is the first step to you achieving the life you have always imagined. Think,